Newport Private Jet Charter Flights DC is one of the fastest-growing private jet charter brokers and charter jet aviation companies in the United States. The company offers an alternative to the high cost of whole and fractional ownership. With Jet Charter Flights DC, there are no upfront costs with our charter flight services, no membership acquisition, or maintenance fees. Our private jet charter services is pay-as-you-go, and you only pay for the time you need. At Jet Charter Flights DC, customer safety on all our charter flights is our #1 priority. Each aircraft charter jet offered through Jet Charter Flights DC, as well as charter flight crew members, are subject to extensive screening. Our private jet charter business takes every precaution with each and every one of our charter flights, pilots and passengers. All of our planes operate under FAA Regulation Part 135. In addition, the company is working closely with TSA to administer background checks on all passengers, pilots, crew members, and maintenance personnel for each charter flight. Not only will we fly you in luxury and convenience, we'll fly you with peace of mind. We are members of all outside safety and auditing firms, raising the bar of safety to new levels. We only choose the best charter jet aircraft that meet the highest aircraft charter safety guidelines for our use. All of our aircraft and flight crews meet and many times exceed the requirements of the FAA. For more information, please visit our website, www.jetcharterflightsdc.com, or contact us through phone 202-684-8656. You can visit our office, Washington, D.C. 20001, Newport Private Jet Charter.